In this video, I will show you how to test this 2016 Nissan Murano LED headlight. Here is the main wire harness connector. Starting with the top row, the first pin is the positive for the low beam projector. The second pin is the positive for the high beam reflector. The third pin is the positive for the daytime running light low mode. The fourth pin is the positive for the daytime running light high mode. On the bottom row, the first pin is the ground for the low beam projector and the high beam reflector. We will skip the second pin. The third pin is the ground for the daytime running light and the corner light. The last pin on the bottom row is the positive for the corner light. Here is the daytime running light low mode. Here is the daytime running light high mode. Here is the high beam. Here is the low beam. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.